Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Ethernet not working on PC. So if your Ethernet is not working on PC, there might be various reasons behind it. You can simply start to solve this problem by checking the physical connection. Ensure the Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both the computer and router or modem. If you suspect the cable is faulty, you can try using a different one to rule out cable issues. If there is no cable issue, there might be some issue with the port. So make sure the Ethernet port on the computer and the router or modem are not damaged. If there is no physical damage, there might be some glitches. So in that case, what you can do is simply restart the device, restart your computer. A simple restart can solve temporary glitches. Also try restarting your router or modem. Once you restart your devices, your problem can be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar. Once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to search. Now over here, what you have to do is search for network connections. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for view network connections. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the network connections over here. Find the option for Ethernet. Make sure it is enabled. Simply right click on it. Now over here, you should be able to see the option for disable. Over here, if you see the option for enable, simply click on it and Ethernet will be enabled. After that, your problem can be solved. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply close this window. Now what you have to do is click on the search icon that you can see at the bottom again. Now open the device manager. Now you'll be able to find the option for device manager over here. Click on it. Now wait for a while and device manager will be opened. What you can do is simply try updating the driver. Over here you'll be able to find various options. Find the option for network adapters. Click on the arrow icon that you can see right over here in order to expand it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Out of these options, find the option for your Ethernet. Once you find it, right click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, update driver. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the question over here. How do you want to search for drivers? Search automatically for drivers. Browse my computer for drivers. Click on the option of your choice. Now wait for a while and the driver will be updated. Now your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply right click again. After doing that, click on this option, uninstall device, that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, this particular device will be uninstalled. Now after your device has been uninstalled, what you have to do is restart your computer. For that, click on the start icon that you can see at bottom. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Hover over the power option. Now click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option restart and your PC will be restarted. After your PC is restarted, it will try to install the default version of the device. After that, your problem should be fixed. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Ethernet not working on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.